Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day everyone. My name is Balkis Batrisha binti Muhammad Farhan. I am 12 years old and I study at SK Mermau 1. My school code is MBB1031. Today I am going to make a book review on my favorite book, Beauty and the Beast. I'm very excited to share about this book with all of you. Let's get started. This book is written by Disney's editorial team and published by Autumn Publishing in 2019. This book has 70 pages. What I love about this book are its movie-inspired art style and its full-color illustrations. This book is hardcover with a golden yellow background. The size of the book is 20 times 19 centimeter. It tells the story about named Belle. Belle, a smart and kind young woman who loves reading, orders herself in exchange for her imprisoned father at the castle of the Beast, a cursed prince. At first, the Beast is cold and harsh, but Belle sees the kindness within him. With the help of the enchanted castle servants, they grow closer. However, Gaston, a vain man who wants to marry Belle, attacks the castle and injures the Beast. Belle confesses her love before the last enchanted rose petal falls, breaking the curse. The Beast transforms back into a prince. The servants become human again, and they live happily ever after. This time, fairy tale teaches lessons about inner beauty, kindness, and the power of love to transform and redeem. Kindness can change people, and we can't judge others based on appearance alone. With that, I would like to end my review. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.